Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're taking a look at an altcoin, Fantom FTM, currently trading around $0.46. We're having a relief rally in the altcoin market. Fantom's market cap is above $1.3 billion. In the last one day, we're seeing Fantom gone up 10%. On the monthly time frame, Fantom is up 40.8%. But in the last 1 week, Fantom dropped 12.4%. Is this the end of the relief rally for Fantom? We have seen Fantom rally to as high as the $0.62 level in this bear market rally. Right now, we've had a pullback back to the $0.47 level. So are we going to continue pumping to higher prices, or are we going to start dumping to Goblin Town? And where are we going to find support if we start dumping to Goblin Town? We'll also be looking at Fantom's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. And then we'll take a look at Fantom's market cap, which rose to as high as $1.7 billion in this relief rally. How low can we go if the rally has come to an end? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching all my videos. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Altcoins started 2023 on a very bright note. We have seen a lot of altcoins pumping to the moon, including Fantom. Fantom is still up 40.8% on a monthly time frame. But guys, we're seeing a pullback. We're seeing the altcoin market looks as if it's tanking. We're looking as if the bear market rally is coming to an end. If we go on a yearly time frame, we're still deep in the crypto bear market, and Fantom is still down 75% in the last 1 year. If you take a look at the Fantom US dollar price chart on 3-day time frame, you will see Fantom blasted above this resistance level we talked about in the previous video, the $0.42 level. We even got to as high as the $0.65 region. We got rejected off that level. Right now we're having a pullback. So is this pullback just gearing up for pumping to higher prices, or will Fantom continue dumping to Goblin Town? Fantom was one of the huge gainers in the previous bull run. Guys, just $1,000 invested in Fantom in March of 2020 would have returned more than $1.5 million for you by October of 2021. Altcoins are very profitable that way. Altcoins can make you very rich, but the downside to altcoins pumping this aggressively in the bull market is that in the bear market, they dumped Goblin Town, and they can do it for a very long period of time. Now, since when Fantom stock came in for it in October of 2021, we saw Fantom go from the $3.4 region to as low as the $0.16 region. We saw Fantom lose 95% of its value, and we saw it bottom out around the 21st of November 2022. But guys, maybe just maybe that's a temporary bottom, because Fantom has a very strong support at that $0.166 level. We saw Fantom facing some resistance at that level as we're pumping to new all-time highs in February of 2021. We also saw Fantom have a bounce off that level in July of 2021. Fantom has gotten a bounce off that level again in November of 2021, and that bounce has taken us to as high as the $0.65 level. But what will happen if Fantom come back to test the $0.166 level again? Guys, that might just be in chaos for Fantom. We might see it dropping to as low as the $0.054 level before the end of this bear market. Bear markets are very long. Bear markets are very brutal. But guys, remember, altcoins can keep going down just the same way in the bull market. Altcoins were just going up to higher prices. Everybody was shouting we're going to the moon. People are getting rich every day. Right now we're in the bear market, and those altcoins might be dumping to Goblin Town. Invariably, people might be getting very poor every day. But for long-term investors, this will be music to our ears, because we want to accumulate when we're down in Goblin Town, when the market is screaming we're going to zero, when people don't want to touch altcoins. That's when we want to accumulate all these altcoins, so that when the market heads back to greed, when we see everybody shouting we're going to the moon, when we see Fantom pumping above $3.5 in the future, we'll be happy we did our accumulation deep in the crypto bear market. Another important reason you want to put into perspective when you're deciding whether to continue holding some Fantom right now or to take some profit off this little pump I've had to the upside is that the smart investors that bought some Fantom on the 16th of March 2020 are currently still up more than 193x Think about that, guys. Those individuals that bought Fantom in March 2020, right now we're deep in the crypto bear market, but just $1,000 invested in Fantom in March 2020 will still be worth $193,000 as of today. So right now, a lot of market participants are still taking profit, and that's why I still believe we might still see Fantom drop to as low as that $0.054 level at some point in time in the bear market. But it's not all doom and gloom. We can still see Fantom pumping to higher prices. This might just temporarily be a pullback that's taking us back to the $0.42 level to find support. After we find support, I'll not be shocked to still see Fantom. Maybe, just maybe, if we're lucky in this bear market rally. Remember, guys, there's no guarantees we can go this high. We might just see Fantom heading towards $1, maybe getting to as high as $0.82. That's my best case scenario for Fantom in this bear market rally. In the bear market, we might just see it continue dumping to Goblin Town. In the first half of the bear market, we have seen Fantom lose around 94% of its value in 309 days. If Fantom works its way down to the $0.054 level, Fantom will be down 98% from its all-time high. And guys, that's somehow normal for altcoins in the bear market. We've seen a lot of altcoins do that in different bear markets, but what happened after that? Altcoins can recover all those losses, even going to new all-time highs. In the case of Fantom, I'll not be shocked if we see Fantom getting to as high as $15 by the end of the next bull run. But for you to enjoy that pump, you have to be willing to join long-term investors and invest right now deep in the bear market. Very, very importantly, guys, as you're investing deep in the crypto bear market, you don't want to go all in. There's always a possibility that will continue dumping to Goblin Town. And once you go all in, you don't have any capital to buy when we see lower prices. So the smart move will be to dollar cost average and get in slowly and surely. Nobody can predict the exact bottom of the bear market, the same way nobody can predict the exact top of the bull market. But the best way to get in or to get out is to dollar cost average through the process. If you take a look at some details about Fantom, in the last 1 year alone, we have seen Fantom go from as high as $2.14 to as low as $0.16. Currently ranked 40 on CoinMarketCap with over 705,000 people having Fantom on their watch list. Fantom has a market cap of $1.3 billion and a fully diluted market cap of $1.4 billion. A circulating supply of 2.7 billion tokens. Fantom has a maximum supply of 3.1 billion coins. Now, why will you want to get some Fantom for yourself in the bear market as we're getting ready for the next bull run? Fantom is a directed acyclic graph smart contract platform providing centralized finance services to developers using its own bespoke consensus algorithm. If you want to buy or sell some Fantom coins for yourself in the bear market as we're getting ready for the next bull run, you can do that on Binance, on Qcoin, on Kraken, on Bitfinex, on Uniswap, on Bitstamp, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Fantom right there. If you take a look at Fantom's performance against Bitcoin, it pumps aggressively in the bull market, outperforming Bitcoin by a lot. Just one Bitcoin invested in Fantom on the 4th of January of 2021 will have returned more than 148 Bitcoins by January of 2022. Very impressive. In 377 days, Fantom went up more than 148x against Bitcoin. But guys, with every huge pump to the upside comes some huge dumps to the downside. And we have seen Fantom dump to the downside by more than 89%. That bottom came in for it in June of 2022. Since then, Fantom has been rallying hard against Bitcoin, going up by more than 241%. But it also looks as if that rally has come to an end. And I'll not be shocked to see Fantom coming to drop to new all-time lows in the bear market against both Bitcoin and against Ethereum. Because if you take a look at Fantom's performance against Ethereum, in the bull market, we saw it outperforming Ethereum by more than 5,000%. But what happened after that? Fantom has been dumping to Goblin Town. It has lost 86% of its value. Now, this relief rally we're currently having for Fantom has geared up to set a lower high. And after this lower high, I'll not be shocked, guys, to see Fantom coming to take out this low we set in the bear market against Ethereum. In the bear market, you see people flipping their altcoins for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Guys, a lot of market participants have seen their altcoins dump to Goblin Town in the last 1 year. So any shift in sentiment in the market, like we are seeing right now, like we're seeing a pullback across the market, will lead a lot of people flipping their altcoins back to Bitcoin and back to Ethereum. Another reason why you might see Fantom losing value against Bitcoin and Ethereum is that when the market was pumping to higher prices, we saw Fantom pumping aggressively to the upside. And right now, as we're dumping to Goblin Town, Fantom will dump harder than both Bitcoin and Ethereum, which will lead Fantom to lose value against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, if we go to Fantom's market cap, it rallied to as high as the $1.7 billion region. Fantom's market cap has dropped back to as low as $1.3 billion. But we're at a very, very crucial level for Fantom. If Fantom's market cap can go back to the $1 billion level and find support, then maybe, just maybe, we can still see it rally up to as high as $2 billion before the end of this relief rally. If not, if Fantom takes out the $439 million level on its market cap chart, guys, we might be in for some gobbling town action for Fantom. We might just see Fantom find its way back to the $112 million region. Fantom's market cap got to an all-time high at the top of the bull market of over $8.6 billion. And if we see Fantom's market cap drop into that $112 million region, Fantom will be down 98.7% from its all-time high. For altcoins, that's usual. They can still recover and set new all-time highs, and that's why I like altcoins. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think this is the end of the relief rally for Fantom? How high do you think Fantom will go if the rally is not over? If the rally is over and we start dumping to Goblin Town, where do you see Fantom finding support? And if we go below the $0.166 level, how low do you think Fantom will get in this bear market? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too greedy. Don't get too scared. See you guys in my next video.